annual report of our school to update everyone on how the mission and vision of CSE Bal Vidyalaya School have been effectively implemented in daily operations and throughout our journey towards achieving excellence in education. CSE Bal Vidyalaya is specifically dedicated to the development of children in rural India. It is primarily focusing on technology-enabled playful learning. Our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi was launched CSE Bal Vidyalaya in 6th July 2020. We are very much gifted that CSE school have been launched in Devigapuram. Before beginning the report, I would like to express my gratitude to Sendil Kumar sir, the founder and the correspondent of CSE Bal Vidyalaya School Devigapuram, my lovable teachers and my dear parents and students. This year, the school has undergone significant changes in areas like communication, behavior management, professional development, technology, and most importantly, academics. Ongoing activities. Our aim is to provide learning program which includes academics and wide range of co-curricular opportunities like dance, music, karate, chess and silambam and robotics. Curriculum is designed by IIT Delhi, NCERT based curriculum, qualified and well-experienced faculty, Hindi subject for all grades, special coaching for karate, silambam, archery, abacus, chess and carom. School existing facilities, projector, Alexa app and smart screen for all classes. Uses of AI classrooms, CCTV camera installed in all classes, RO water and 24/7 power supply. Teachers training. Our teachers collaborated in various training sessions to align their curriculum with educational needs of our students. This vertical alignment ensures that students get the necessary knowledge as they advance through our academic program. The academic year 2025 to 2026 commenced with an orientation program for teachers designed to formalize them with the school curriculum. Teaching methods, protocols are introduced by Mrs. Smita Nair from CSE Delhi team, conducted monthly training session attended by all the teachers, providing training and motivation across all aspects of education. Assembly, morning assembly brings together students and teachers to begin the day. Assemblies effectively support the development of students' interpersonal skills. The main advantages of CSE BV is every morning assembly, the students are encouraged to speak on a stage, gradually overcoming a shyness and gaining self-assurance in front of the students. Other functions also celebrated in CSE BVs. National and religious festivals like Pongal, Deepavali, Christmas, Ramzan, Krishna Jayanti, Ganesha Chaturthi, Onam, Teachers Day, Children's Day, Miladi Nabi, Graduation Day, Independence Day, Republic Day, etc. Many students have been participated these events which helps to build courage and confidence. Day celebration. The school has a wide range of day celebration that provide learning by combining relationship and educational factors. Example, red day, green day, yellow day, pink day, blue day, etc. Spoken Hindi and spoken English programs were created for all students from grade pre-KG to grade 8. These activities aim to enhance communication and public speaking skill. We organized a science expo for students and they expand their scientific knowledge, creativity and provide opportunity for them to express their creative talents. Sports Day celebration. Sports Day was held for the students on the school playground, featuring variety of indoor and outdoor games designed to enhance their knowledge in the sports skills, and prizes also distributed. Annual prize distribution day. Annual prize distribution day also conducted to the students and awarded the shields and the trophies during the annual prize distribution ceremony. Food festival takes place an important role in CSE school. Students brought their own food and showed and decorated in the school auditorium. Fire Service and Rescue Department from Tamil Nadu team conducted the workshop for the students and test was conducted and gave certificates to the students for their recognition and found their hidden talents about fire related activities. Field trips and excursion. Education field trips and excursion are undertaken annually to cater to enthusiasm of students towards school life at CSE Bal Vidyalaya. Students go on trips to Javadu Hills and visited Vaidu Papu Observatory and waterfalls accompanied by teachers and non-teaching staffs. Because of these field trips, gives students to get hands-on experience of getting knowledge from the world around them. Graduation Day. We have held the graduation day for students from grade 2 to grade 1 and grade 5 to grade 6. On the occasion of Children's Day, we gave plants and keychains to the students as a gift. Next year plan, robotics for all the students and NEET and JW training from grade 6 to grade 9 students. We are planning to give useful workshop to the students to develop their interpersonal skills. In the next academic 2026 to 2027, we are going to introduce many facilities. Finally, I would like to introduce the teachers, van drivers, housekeeping staff and security from CSE Bal Vidyalaya School, Deviyabram. Next, I would like to conclude my warm regards to all the teaching staff and non-teaching staff, parents and students and our well-wishers. Our vision is to continue keep reaching for the stars.